Hi everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a really fast, super fast mac and cheese. So we got our butter. We need butter, we need some flour, we need milk, and obviously the macaroni. And then we're going to put in the cheese. Okay, let me get everything going here, and I'll keep you updated. So we got the butter going, and we mix the flour in with the butter. Now we're going to pour in our milk. Two cups of milk. Now we want to make sure that we bring this back up to a boil, but we don't burn it. It's very easy to burn the milk, and burnt milk doesn't taste good. So far so good. So we got the milk, the butter, and the flour all mixed in nicely. Now we're going to add the Tex-Mex. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Okay, I need both my hands now because I got to stir this up really good. Okay? And here you go. Mac and cheese. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix some broccoli in with it, put some breadcrumbs on the top, and into the oven for a few minutes. Sprinkle a little bit of the breadcrumbs on top, and then into the oven. And dinner is ready. Mac and cheese, Mary Louisa style.